everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Finally able to snag volume number 5. Woohoo! I feel like I hit $1,000,000 when I got this box. You guys should have saw me. Like, I was at the computer, I was logged in on my laptop, I was logged in on my phone. I'm like, I gotta get one of these boxes. I gotta get one of them. And I'm like, I had to tell myself, Aisha, it's gonna be okay if you don't get this box. But I was so happy I snagged this box because this box in particular, I love everything in the box, I think, except for like one thing. And I mean, that's how it is with mystery boxes. You're not always gonna like everything, but the majority of the things in here I love. So I really wanted to get this box. But it is really, really hard to get one. They sell out in like 5 to 10, 15 minutes and the boxes are sold out. If you don't get them right when they go on sale, don't even think about trying to get it the next day because they're already going to be sold out. So if you're watching this video, most likely she is already sold out in these boxes, but she does bring them back from time to time. So maybe she'll bring it back. So if you like everything you see in this box, keep your fingers crossed that she brings it back again. I'm so excited to do this unboxing for you guys. So stay tuned and see what I got. Alrighty, this is what the box looks like. And let's open this bad boy up. Alrighty, so when you get the box comes like so with a little sticker on it. It looks like there's like some like food or something like right here in the stain. So I don't know what that is, but nevertheless, as long as my products aren't damaged, but that's the tissue paper. So let's see what's inside. All right, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it's a lot of goodies in here, a lot of goodies. Alrighty. Ooh la la. All right, so the first thing I see in here, oh, this wasn't a full size. So it was a Green Clean Pharmacy Makeup Balm, Cleansing Balm. I thought we were getting the full size, but I guess not. Actually, I thought, wasn't everything in the box supposed to be full size? Oh, sorry, it's taking some time. There we go. So if you could look on the screen, it says 50 ml. I actually have the full size, the 100 ml. So let's compare the sizes. I thought everything in the box she gave, I guess I assumed everything was always full size. All right, so this is the one that I own. And this is the one that she gave us. So you can see the size difference. That the one that she gave us is a smaller size. The one I have is a bigger size. But if you haven't seen what it looks like so. And I love this product. After all, I have it already. BoxyCharm had it as like one of their like pop-ups or add-ons, and I had bought it. I wish I would have known that this was so good. I would have bought more than one, but I only bought one. But as you guys can see, it's like we are probably halfway empty. So, and it smells amazing. Like when I use this, like I just love the smell. I'm big on smell and I love the smell on this. So I was very happy to see that this was going to be in the box. So I'm not going to open this one up because I still have to finish the one that I have, but I'm very happy to have it. Even if it's not full size, I'm still happy. All right. The next thing I got was the Daily Green Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. So this is a new product. And I want to try it, but like I said, like, first of all, I have way too much skincare because I have so many subscription boxes. So I'm never going into a store and buying a moisturizer and eyeshadow. Like, I have to just stop. Well, for like high anticipated launches, I will buy because you guys know me already. Like, I can't resist. But like, I'm not going to just be going in to get like a moisturizer nowadays because I have so many. This box alone, I don't, you know, you guys know how it is. But look how pretty this packaging is. This is beautiful. I love the packaging on this. So this is 50 ml as well. So let me smell this. It's hard to open things with my nails, but I'm gonna try to open this if I can. Oh, I got a little bit, just a little bit of it. I can't open anything with my nails. Okay, so it's like a gel, but it's hydrating, but it's not like too heavy. I like it. A little bit was on the side, so I just got what's off the side because with these nails, I can't ever open these lids. Does anybody else have that problem? Like when you have your moisturizer, if you keep the lids on, it's like hard to open. I'm having that problem now. So for time purposes, I'm not gonna try to open that up. But that's the second thing I got in the box. So I got 2 pharmacy items, which I'm very excited about getting. So just alone for these 2 things, I would have been happy just for these 2 things. All right, so I don't think, do these come with cards? Oh, she did, there's 2 little cards in here. Yeah, that's it, just these. This one talks about kingship and this one talks about Murad. So mint mud. So I guess this talks about the mint mud. It says you get 15% off if you use the code Trendmood. So this is the next thing I got, mint mud. Kingship mint mud. And then they give you like a little coupon that you guys can use. Sorry, there we go. There we go. So you use Trendmood for your 15% off. I'm not going to open anything because I have so much stuff. Ooh, I have too much stuff. But I just want to show you guys the box and what I got. All right, the next thing I got is the Eczema Hand Repair Cream. My hands are always dry year-round. I wash my hands a lot because I am a germophobic or a germaphobe. Some people say germophobic, germaphobe. I'm a germaphobe. So, like, if you sneeze, even before the whole thing that's going on, whenever somebody sneezes, I would be the type of person that runs to the other side of the room. If somebody's sick, like, I avoid them the whole day, like the plague, because I am not trying to get sick. I know it's bad, but, like, I don't know. So this is going to be great, great, great for me. I don't have eczema, but it says it's a good hand repair for dry, cracked hands. So I'm excited to try this. All right, so it says it has, ooh, sweet almonds in here. So that means it's going to smell good. And oatmeal, 1% oatmeal. Very excited about this. This is a 90 ml. So this is a pretty big hand cream. It's big, almost the size of my hand. So pretty big. This is what it looks like. And this is Allure winning for best of 2017 and 2015. And this Green Clean was best of 2017. So this is good because a lot of this stuff is like award winning. So that means this is some good stuff. Alrighty, alrighty. The next thing I got is the Murad Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. Alright, so this looks like this is a new item because I haven't seen this before. This is what the box looks like. And let's open this bad boy up and see. I believe this is a new product. That's the cool thing about these boxes too. You get a lot of like new stuff. Well, I like how the packaging looks. Like it looks like little things, like little thick straws, but with different colors inside. Let me see if I can, you see how it looks like there's like thick straws inside the packaging? So you don't really get to see the actual product, but the little straw thingies inside. Very cool, very exciting. And then I guess this tells you about what the product is from Murad, the thing that they gave us. So this will tell you about your product inside. Let's see what else is in here. The next thing I got is, so I think this was the blush palette that she was giving away. Let's see here. Alrighty. This is the Catrice X Amman blush palette. It has a mirror, but as always, I bend it down so there's no reflection. It has a little clear lid over it, so I'm going to just take the clear lid off. And this palette, wow, the colors look very pretty. These are the colors. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. I'm very excited about that. These colors look like they'll be good for my skin tone. Normally, the blushes do not work with, like my last unboxing for Ipsy, you guys saw that that blush was way too light for me. But this is actually colors that I actually can wear, so I'm actually very excited for this. All right, the box keeps going. The next thing that I got is, let's see, everything is wrapped nice and with bubble wrap so nothing breaks. All right, so this is the Skin Fix Eczema Foaming Oil Body Wash. I've never tried an oil body wash before. Ultra mild, sulfate-free body cleanser for dry, sensitive, and eczema prone skin. Sorry. And it's dermatology tested. This is what it looks like. Oh, and this is actually Allure winning for 2016. So that's good to know. Wow, a lot of this stuff. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Okay. Very excited to try this. My skin is dry, like I said, and sensitive. So I don't have eczema, but it's dry and sensitive, so it'll still work for me. So very excited for this, and this is huge. It's 370 ml, so this is gonna last me a while. All right, the next thing I got in my box is the Kingship Self-Reflect Reef Safe and Sound Probiotic Moisturizing Zinc Oxide Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 32, and it is clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and dermatology tested. Comes in a box like so. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Let's look at the product. Sunscreen SPF 30, Self-Reflect. All right, so it looks like so. This is what the packaging looks like. Hold on. There you go. All right. I'm bad. I don't really wear too much sunblock. I mean, I should. Moisturizing sunscreen. Maybe if I start, then I got one. I go on vacation, bring the sunscreen, forget to wear it. Terrible, terrible. But it's not like anybody's going to be vacation anytime soon, so I don't have to worry about that at the moment. But overall, I loved everything I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, hold on. I think I counted the box. Oh, did I? No, 8. Hold on. So it's 8 items that I got. Right? Yeah, 8 items. Oh, I was thinking this came in a box, but it didn't come in a box. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things that I got in this box, and I love everything. The only thing I wasn't excited about was the sunscreen, but I probably should be wearing sunscreen, so I think I'm going to try it. Overall, I feel like these boxes are great. They are a good deal. I forgot the price of how much I paid for this box. So this is bad. I buy all this stuff. You would think. Hold on, I'm trying to turn on my phone. You would think I would know the prices for all of these things, but I definitely don't. I'm just like, I gotta get this box. I don't care how much it is. I gotta get it. And I'm so happy I got it. So this overall gets Daisha's stamp of approval. I can't wait till she comes out with the next volume. Like I said, if you really want these boxes, I would subscribe to her email because she gives you like a notification when it's going to be launching, I think an hour before. So you can purchase it an hour before, only for the people who subscribe to her email. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my Trendmood box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have another unboxing for you guys tomorrow. I get a lot of unboxing, a lot of mystery boxes, a lot of makeup subscription boxes. So if that is something that you guys enjoy watching, then please subscribe to Aisha Loves Makeup because that's what this channel mostly is all about. When I'm not doing unboxing of subscription boxes, I am doing makeup hauls because I am a makeup junkie, skincare junkie, fragrance junkie. So we can all be junkies together on my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.